Hi students, welcome back. Okay, today we are going to discuss miscellaneous exercise on chapter 6, that is application of derivatives. Are you ready? Okay. Show that f of x is equal to log x by x has maximum at x is equal to e. Okay, f of x is equal to log x by x has maximum at x is equal to e. Then നമ്മൾ എങ്ങനെ ഇത് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുന്നത്? ഫസ്റ്റ് വി ഷുഡ് ഫൈൻഡ് എഫ് ഡാഷ് എക്സ്. അപ്പം നമ്മൾ ആദ്യം എഫ് ഡാഷ് എക്സ് കാണണം. ദെൻ എഫ് ഡാഷ് എക്സ് ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 0. Then we should find the value of x. Then we should find, so it has maximum. Okay, understood? അതുപോലെ നമുക്കൊന്ന് കണ്ടു നോക്കാം. First, f of x is equal to log x by x. Then f dash x is equal to quotient rule, x square x into derivative of log x, that is 1 by x, minus log x into derivative of x means that is 1. Okay, so f of x is equal to log x by x, then f dash x is equal to x into denominator into derivative of the numerator minus numerator into derivative of the denominator divided by denominator square. Okay, then we can cancel this x and x, then we will get 1 minus log x divided by x square. Am I correct? Okay, then we should write f dash x is equal to 0. F dash x is equal to 0. That means 1 minus log x divided by x square is equal to 0. Okay, then that means 1 minus log x is equal to 0. Okay, then log x is equal to 1. We should apply antilog to both sides, then we will get x is equal to e raised to 1. So x is equal to e. Understood? അപ്പം നമ്മൾ ആദ്യം എഫ് ഡാഷ് എക്സ് കണ്ടു. എഫ് ഡാഷ് എക്സ് ഈസ് ഈക്വൾ ടു 0 എന്ന് കൊടുത്തു. അപ്പം നമുക്ക് 1 മൈനസ് ലോഗ് എക്സ് ഈസ് ഈക്വൾ ടു 0 എന്ന് വന്നു. ലോഗ് എക്സ് ഈസ് ഈക്വൾ ടു 1, ദെൻ എക്സ് ഈസ് ഈക്വൾ ടു e raised to 1. That means x is equal to e. We should apply their antilog. Okay, then x is equal to e raised to 1, then x is equal to e. Understood? Okay, then we should find f2 dash x. f2 dash x is equal to f2 dash x. We should find the quotient rule of 1 minus log x divided by x square. That means x raised to 4. Then 1 minus log x, derivative of 1 minus log x means that is minus 1 by x. Derivative of 1, that is 0. Then minus derivative of log x means that is 1 by x. Then minus 1 by x. Minus 1 minus log x into derivative of the numerator, that is 2x. So we can cancel this x square and x, then we will get minus x minus 2x into 1 minus log x divided by x raised to 4. Then we should take minus x outside, then we will get 1 plus 2 into 1 minus log x divided by x raised to 4. This x raised to 4 and x we can cancel there. Then we will get, then we should open the bracket, that is equal to minus of 1 plus 2 minus 2 log x, minus 2 log x divided by x cube. then that is equal to minus of 1 plus 2 means that is 3. 3 minus 2 log x divided by x cube. Okay, instead of this x we should write there e, then we will get minus 3 minus 2 log e divided by e cube, that is equal to minus of 3 minus 2 log e means that is 1 minus of 3 minus 2 divided by e cube, that is equal to minus 1 divided by e cube, that is less than 0, therefore it is maximum at x is equal to e. Okay, അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ f of x is equal to log x by x ആണ്, f dash x കണ്ടു, 1 minus log x by x square കിട്ടി, f dash x is equal to 0 എന്ന് കൊടുത്തു, അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് x is equal to e എന്ന് കിട്ടി. Then we should find out f2 dash x. f2 dash x എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് minus 1 by e cube, that is less than 0, so it is maximum at x is equal to e. Understood? Okay, then we can see next problem. Then fourth question, find the equation of the normal to the curve x square is equal to 4y which passes through the points 1, 2. Okay, അപ്പോൾ find the equation of the normal to the curve x square is equal to y. x square is equal to y which passes through the point 1, 2. So first we should write here x square is equal to 4y. Then we should find the slope of x square is equal to 4y. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് സ്ലോപ്പ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാം. 2x is equal to 4 into dy by dx. Then dy by dx is equal to 2x divided by 4, that is equal to x by 2, that is equal to x by 2. Then value of x is equal to 1, then we should get the value 1 by 2. Okay, കിട്ടിയില്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ നമ്മളതിൻ്റെ സ്ലോപ്പ് കാണാൻ x square is equal to 4y ആണ്, 2x is equal to 4 into dy by dx, then dy by dx is equal to 2x by 4, that is x by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2. The value of x is equal to 1. This is, then we should find the normal, slope of the normal ആണ്. Slope of normal is equal to slope of normal, that is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx, that is equal to negative reciprocal of 1 by 2, that is equal to negative 2. Negative reciprocal of 1 by 2. 1 by 2 negative reciprocal means negative 2 by 1, that is equal to negative 2. Okay, then we should find out the equation of the normal, that is y minus y1 is equal to m into, m means that is the slope of the normal, m into x minus x1. Y minus y1, what is y1 here? 2, that is equal to m, that is minus 2, into x minus x1, x1 means that is 1. So y minus 2 is equal to minus 2x plus 2. 2x minus 2 plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Then 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, understood? So y minus 2 is equal to minus 2x plus 2. Then we should take this in the left side. 2x minus 2 plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. ഇത് എക്സ് സ്ക്വയർ ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 4y. പക്ഷെ നമുക്ക് ബാക്ക് സൈഡ് ആൻസർ ഇങ്ങനെയല്ല കിടക്കുന്നത്, കാരണം അവിടെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ ഒരു സംതിങ് റോങ് ഉണ്ട്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് y സ്ക്വയർ ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 4x ആണെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ നമുക്ക് ബാക്ക് സൈഡിൽ ആൻസർ കിട്ടുള്ളൂ കേട്ടോ. y സ്ക്വയർ ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 4x അത് വെച്ച് ചെയ്താൽ കറക്റ്റ് നമുക്ക് ബാക്ക് സൈഡ് ആൻസർ കിട്ടും. അണ്ടർസ്റ്റുഡ്? അപ്പോൾ ടെക്സ്റ്റിൻ്റെ ബാക്കിൽ കിടക്കുന്ന ആൻസർ കിട്ടണമെങ്കിൽ നമ്മുടെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ y സ്ക്വയർ ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 4x ആയിരിക്കണം. y സ്ക്വയർ ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 4x. Okay, then we should find the slope of y square is equal to 4x. Then we will get 2y into dy by dx is equal to 4. Then dy by dx is equal to 4 divided by 2y. That is equal to 4 divided by 2 into 2. That is equal to 1. Understood? Then slope is equal to 1 there. Okay. Then slope of normal is equal to negative reciprocal of dy by dx, that is equal to negative 1. Then equation of the normal is equal to y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 means that is 2, that is equal to m means that is slope of the normal, that is minus 1 into x minus x1. Then y minus 2 is equal to minus x plus 1. Then we will get x plus y minus 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. X plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. ഇതാണ് നമ്മുടെ ടെക്സ്റ്റിൻ്റെ ബാക്കിൽ കിടക്കുന്ന ആൻസർ. അപ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ y square is equal to 4x ആണെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ ഈ ആൻസർ കിട്ടുള്ളൂ. Okay guys, study up to here. The remaining topic we will take in the next class. Bye.